90 seconds to get to know blockchain. Why is it always mentioned with Bitcoin? Blockchain is a special data storage technology that links data together in blocks, recording every transaction like a ledger. This data is protected by encryption, and once written into the blockchain, it cannot be tampered with, ensuring the security and credibility of the information. You can think of the blockchain as a Google Doc that everyone maintains together. It doesn't rely on a single institution for updates. Instead, everyone has a complete copy, and all transactions are public and transparent. When a new transaction occurs, participants in the network will jointly verify and update the data, maintaining the consistency of the entire system. The reason Bitcoin needs blockchain is to solve a key problem: how to enable secure digital currency transfers without a bank or third party, and prevent double spending. Blockchain provides this solution. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded on the blockchain and verified by the entire network, guaranteeing the transaction is authentic and cannot be forged. In summary, the blockchain is the foundation for Bitcoin's operation, just as roads are the foundation for cars to travel on. With it, Bitcoin can truly achieve decentralized, trust-transparent value transfer. For beginners, understanding the blockchain is the first step to understanding the entire crypto world. Remember, if you want to start engaging with these technologies, choosing a legal, secure, and regulated platform is crucial to ensure the safety of your assets. Explore more crypto knowledge with OSL Crypto Bits. Ready to dive in? Register on OSL now and start your journey.